Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox chat. To begin, simply press the / key on your keyboard or click the chat bubble icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This action will open the chat window. Next, type your message into the designated text box at the bottom of the window. Once your message is complete, press the Enter key to send it to everyone in your current game session. It's a straightforward process for quick communication. Roblox prioritizes player safety through robust chat filters. These filters automatically block inappropriate language and prevent the sharing of personal information, appearing as hashtags to others. It's crucial to remember never to share your real name, address, or phone number. If you encounter any player violating community guidelines or attempting to gather personal details, please use the report feature immediately. Staying safe online is a shared responsibility. Beyond public chat, Roblox offers private messaging and group chat options. To send a private message, simply click on a friend's username in the player list and select the message option. These messages are exclusively visible to you and the recipient. Some Roblox experiences also support group chats, allowing a select number of players to communicate privately within that specific game. These features enhance focused communication with your friends. Enhance your chat experience with various commands and emojis. Many games support commands like /me to describe actions or /w username for whispering to a specific player. To express yourself visually, click the emoji icon next to the chat input box to access a wide range of emojis. These small icons can convey emotions and reactions quickly, adding a fun and expressive element to your conversations with other players in Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.